Hello friends, today I'm going to show you how easy it is to create an AI agent for your Shopify store. This AI agent can recommend product, answer customer inquiries, and help user move toward checkout. For this tutorial, I created a Shopify store with 6 different products, and that's all we need here. And we can move to the Tiledesk to create the MCP server and build our AI agent. Let's create our first AI agent. We can call it like Shopify AI Agent. And now we go to the Design Studio. Building the flow is not complex at all. You only need to use the AI prompt action. For this example, I'm going to use it inside the default fallback block. Now click on the Manage MCP Tools. Choose a name for the MCP server. For example, it can be Shopify MCP server. Then add your Shopify store URL followed by /API/MCP. This is indeed your MCP server for your Shopify store. After that, select the available tools, click Save, and then OK. Now you can see that the MCP server is available in the AI prompt settings. That's all for the connection. Now in the prompt section, you can write your own prompt or use the one I prepared for this example. I'm going to share the prompt in the description below. This prompt reads your Shopify catalog and product categories, then supports user by first asking about their preferences and then recommending a few products that match their need. Now I just need to remove this reply action and let's change the color of the block to blue and add a new reply action with an AI reply message attribute in it, and we are all set. Our AI agent is ready in less than 2 minutes without any technical configuration or complex flow. We can also edit the welcome message so that when a user starts a conversation, they clearly understand the role of this AI assistant. Okay, let's test it together. I'm going to ask, I'm looking for a smartphone and my budget is around 700 euros. As you can see, the AI agent shares available product based on my store catalog. It can also compare product based on the details of each model. And then I would say I prefer Samsung Galaxy 23. This AI agent is smart enough to understand my purchase intent and can create and share the checkout link instantly. No friction at all, a faster path for users to find and buy products. I hope you found it helpful. Stay tuned for more.